FXBros.
Yes. We are back, and as you can see, CPI has released 7:30, and we're gonna look at the news. See what's the actual inflation rate and the CPI numbers. But as you can see, I was in buys, but we got stopped out. Yeah, it was a rough one. Ain't gonna lie to you. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. This sell. Then we had a 5 in the morning continuation. But this candle also was tied in with the news. So if we look at the hour, we'll see at 7 right here. It's actually 7:30, 8:30, New York. And that's what we see the sell off. So we see on the 5, bam. That's it right there. Yeah, that was a tough one. Because what I thought it was probably going to do, because we had the gap open right here, selling off. It didn't create a bearish candle, but it did open lower. And we started seeing bullish pricing since then on Sunday. And after we swept this high, well, not only, yeah, we swept that was previous week. So we swept the current week's. Let me see, what was the current? Yeah, that was Friday and Sunday. Yeah, it swept. We can't take the T. So yeah, it swept the previous weekly high. And yeah, and it sold off from there. I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna keep it G. I was not expecting that. I mean, because the same scenario happened here. As you can see, we had buys. Buys kind of worked out after that, but then it's extremely, because that was the buy. That was an initial buy. That was in on, and when the market broke below that, that's when we just got out. Like I said, I saw this selling off at first after we had this bearish engulfing on Monday morning. But the fact that I saw it was short lived, I felt that buyers were going to come in and we're going to push the market continue going higher. But CPI didn't produce that result. And as you can see, the dollar just swung a level, an interesting level. But we're not making that much of an advancement based on the selling that we saw in AU from Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. It's Tuesday night into the morning. Oh, that was cause okay. Let's see what it's doing. Thursday, Wednesday. So yeah, we do have a bullish dollar. Right now, the 4 hours gonna close. It's probably going to be bullish engulfing. And if we continue with that trajectory, then we should continue to see more selling on AU. And maybe, who knows, we can come and reach down to this area. But I'll entertain more sales. I would say anything under or right at 64. 62.40. Anything below that, we can continue for sales. And look like we might have a clean traffic. Besides passing through 61.85, we could probably reach all the way down to 61.30. We just need a continuation of sales. Let me see if this previous week. No, that is not. This is the previous week high. So I didn't even update this on Sunday. This is the previous week's high. And we got the previous week low. Way the fuck down here. Mm-hmm. Previous week high, previous week low. Got all the way down. Ran up. Took that out. The week before that, we swept. So let me get the mid 50% level for this week. So we can have that information. And this is our 50% right here. So this is where we are right now. Swept previous week high. That was previous week. And if we are going to be in sales, we need to close below 62.35. Try to see if we can get some movements, some buy movements underneath the 50%. Or we just going to sell off. Head down. Whoa. Wow. Fucking CPI bust my ass, man. I should have known. I should have known. Fucking inflation rate going up. They got another testimony at 9, which is going live right now. See if I do. Try to get this shit. Search that in Google. Now,
Well, it's good. Been getting my ass handed this week.
bruh. This shit here. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, my fault.
Yes,
This shit
yeah,
tripping. Yeah, you hear me?
yeah.
Yeah, it was popping.
That CPI news, man.
Shit made the markets
Fucking
go crazy.
inflation going up like a motherfucker. Right when that bitch dropped 7:30.
Yeah. Again, I guess
I
that's what
should have
made it.
known though. My fault, cause I got caught up when I was working last night, but they had a fucking bearish engulfing on a 4 hour right at the top after it swept the previous week's high. Like that was a golden setup right there. I did not take that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they getting us this
That was
week,
my
dog.
bad.
It's a crazy week. Definitely a week to
Yeah, yeah,
be fearful, goddamn, or be watchful. I
yeah.
want to say, like, you want to like really, because I'm back at
Yeah,
last
just be
week's
cautious overall.
fucking beginning, like where I started last week type shit. So I done lost like 500. Yeah,
Yeah.
busting my ass, bro. Yeah, yeah.
I
Busting my
think
ass
next week
this
will be
week,
way better. I know
hopefully.
that we got
Can't lose another 5 right now. It's just
listen,
Wednesday. That's the
crazy
whole
news.
key. It's just
Yeah,
Wednesday, bro. And the market's doing dumb shit, like dumb shit, bro. Absolute dumb shit.
damn, lift.
Fucking
Ooh, shit.
that bitch busting.
Ooh. Nah, nigga, Lift
That
sold
bitch,
off like a bitch,
oh, that
boy.
fucking gap down. He was selling it up.
Nah, that nigga was in buy,
He's
trying
still
to
in there.
buy. Probably not. Shit, I don't know. I don't know how that shit go, but god damn, that bitch.
That shit dropping.
Ooh, hell no, nigga. That took him out. That bitch down 9%, so he lost 90%.
Damn. If he's still in
Yeah,
that
that's a,
bitch.
if he's still in that bitch, right? I think he had set a stop loss though. I think so. He was talking about it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're listening, Jay, but let us know if you in that bitch. It ain't looking too good, man. God
All of us
damn.
got our asses handed this week though, so
Nah, for real.
I don't feel bad, bro. They whipped the fuck out of me. Like I was up last night on German 30. My stupid I made a mistake and bought at the high. So I'm trying to hold that position. Bro, they went all the way back to my position, stopped me out break even, and hit the stop loss for the fucking position, for the high position. I was like, bro, this fucked up.
Yeah,
This fucked up, bro. Then gold took me out. US 30 took me out yesterday again. Like, bro, like it was bad. It was a bad week. It's been a bad week. I should have just took that 400 from the gold Monday and called it. Like,
man. But
and just
like
chilled out.
I said, we learn this shit and try our hardest to not repeat these same fucking mistakes. That's how I know to do
Right.
right now.
Yeah, it's just crazy. Nigga basically was up 900, down 900. I mean, up 400, down 900 from being up to 400 type shit. Like,
Damn.
I'm down 5 from
Right,
the start
right.
of the week type shit. So I was up 400 from the start of the week. Now I'm down 500 from the start of the week. Like, damn,
Damn.
bitch, you lost 900? And basically, bro, basic fucking lead, bro. Nigga lost 900 this week. Crazy. Shit crazy, bro. So that's why I'm like, be extra cautious right now, I don't want to say be fearful, but boy, they is not playing. Boy, they is taking niggas money this week. Like, and I mean, all my setups wasn't A plus. Like, I wasn't getting in, but it was like they was good ass setups though. They was ones that if I did last week, I would have made money.
I'm gonna keep it G.
You feel me?
All of who we at? It's Wednesday, Monday, Sunday. This Wednesday sale. I mean, it's Tuesday last night sale at like midnight. That 4 hour bearish engulfing. That Tuesday going into Wednesday midnight. That was the fucking trade for the week so far. Like even though nigga was in buys and I was positive a little bit, but that was not the move.
You said the
And
what?
I'm
Which
I
one?
was in buys. I was in buys on AU, but
Mm.
obviously, looking at it now, that was not the move. And And it kind of tied to what we was talking about yesterday about like how you sit into trades. Like even when you brought it up, when you said, "Oh, you were still holding it," it's like, yeah, nigga be holding them bitches, but nigga really still got to start adding a time situation. Like, okay, you've been in this trade for 2 days and it only gave you this much profit. Like, yeah, this
Right,
probably not
right, brother. You gotta
probably about to
learn the
go down.
time frame of how long these bitches sit in certain areas before they feeling, like, okay, I'm not having momentum in that direction
Yeah,
anymore. GJ looking good. If you want to get ready to hop in this bitch with me, I'm about to probably get a buy-in like on this next 3-minute close. As soon as this bitch close out, probably. But it's right there at that high. I might wait till it break it. See how it break this high. And then get it. This bitch looking good though. Looking good for some buys. At least catch that bitch from 191.7 to like
yeah, yeah.
192. Yeah, 191.8 to like 192.8. And probably put a stop at 190.8 type shit.
Yeah. DJ,
190.7. Something like that. That bitch been running. So yeah, I mean, fuck, I don't see why not. Like, give it a
let me see
try,
what
goddamn. It's right there by that high though at 190.8. It's like what's an area that I wanted to break. But I mean, I think it will break it. The fact that it closed in the inside of it, and then we getting like this continuation and closing inside of that before consolidation in this area on a bigger time frames. Um, you can see
let
it
me see.
consolidated in this area before. I'm trying to see what if we get like some type of pullback here, then a continuation up. I'm trying to take my time, boy, because man, shit, they fucked me over this week. But it definitely looked like some good buys if we finally catch some shit. What is that, UJ? UJ already took off.
UJ, yeah, I mean, shit. Fucking GJ took off on Tuesday too. That was the buy that I had Tuesday.
Both of them bitches took off. But shit, I was selling from down there. Nigga was selling from down there. That bitch took off up, bro. Yeah, that's why. Because I was already buying the bitch at the beginning of the week and then it sold on me. So then I'm down there selling the bitch. Then as soon as I started selling, that bitch took off by. I said, man, I'm not following this shit. I'm about to chase that shit.
Yeah, I don't even want like this shit look good, but my track record of buying right here is not good, and I don't like how that shit be feeling. I
Nah,
miss
it's
that.
not. It's not. Yeah, it's not like it done did a lot of the moves already. So,
Yeah.
but that bitch still got a possibility to make something.
Nah, I mean, I could see GJ going all the way up to like 192.50. I could see it going at. That's like what 80 pips. AJ is pretty much done unless if it breaks out again past 97. DJ is kind of reached his peak. DJ kind of reached his peak. So yeah, GJ looked the best.
That's the
So
only thing
maybe,
I see right now, bro. Everything else look janky as fuck. GJ
yeah,
literally
everything.
the only thing that I could see has a possibility of going in
Nigga
my
squeeze
direction that I wanted to go.
to the 80 pips out that bitch.
A little something. Fuck, better than being down 500.
Yeah,
I feel like that bitch gonna give me something compared to nothing type shit.
right.
Like, I don't know, I'm gonna wait and see what this close, this 15-minute candle do, I think, and then go from there.
Yeah, we had inflation rate month over month, year over year. We had CPI, so everything is up, which is not good. We don't need inflation to be going up, but it is.
Oh,
Motherfucker. Yeah, so CPI going up. That means we are paying more for items. CPI stands for
but for German 30 to go literally stop me out twice this week, literally do the same thing it did 2 days ago, and then just bounce all the way back, bro, in seconds. Like, soon as you hit the stop loss, that bitch just bounced all the way back, bro. That shit is crazy. That shit be crazy, bro. Like, literally. Fuck everybody that put their stop loss right here. And boom, take off. That shit is insane. The ability for it to do that shit is crazy.
what you talk what pullback you talking about? You said
On German
on
30, I said, that bitch the hour ago, nigga. Fuck. 7:30, that fucking news pullback from US
oh yeah.
news. How the fuck you pull back for new US news? Come on, man. Do that stupid ass pullback, dog. For nothing, dog. Basically, that's what I'm saying. Fuck that
That's
dumb ass
crazy.
pullback, dog. And for nothing, bro. Just to come back where you was.
Yeah, that bitch. So
That
that
shit makes
pullback
no sense. Stop me out, bro. Two positions. Stop me out. Then just right
did it
back.
stop to the T? Like, did it come like to the point of your stop loss? I just ran that bitch.
Nah, that bitch, it went down some, but still, nigga, like, damn, bro. You ran a few people shit. It
Bro,
ran a few
maybe them
people
bitches
shit.
got
It's
some,
just,
they got something tied in with the dollar, maybe.
that shit just be like ass. I'm out of fuck with that GJ though for right now. Fuck that. That bitch move.
Uh,
See what they do, man. Fuck that. I ain't scared. Fuck this money, bro. Fuck
yeah.
this money.
That's,
Fuck this shit all fucking
that's how you gotta treat it. Like you can't have no fear when you got small amounts like this.
right. You gotta go in. Nigga gotta take the risk, bro. I'm gonna make my money back. I ain't tripping about that shit. Like that shit don't matter for real. They can't be overthinking that shit.
And you know what? I'm gonna entertain a little tester trade on you. I think it's a push. I think it's a push.
Bruh. Yeah, that bitch is kind of done most of the move though. That shit sucks. Like you ain't got much
Yeah, like I said, I think it's
to
still
grab off
possible.
that. He still could catch a knife, let bitch moving. I'm up $20. Damn, go ahead. That
Yeah, I
bitch just
just got
started
in.
busting. Damn,
Yeah, nigga.
damn.
Come
Hey,
on, nigga.
watch this bitch. German 30 taking off too. Hold on, I'm about to get back in that bitch. I'm telling you, I don't care, bro. For y'all took me out, bitch, I'm gonna get back in. I don't care. Fuck y'all. I'm gonna make my money.
Took that vibe, but that bitch pushing too. Right when it broke that high. Now I be
Soon as
noticing
it
that
broke.
too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, soon as it break like a iffy or like one of them kind of like you don't know highs. When as soon as it break that bitch, that like that whole get a whole new life of volume, and that bitch just start pushing.
Real talk. That
You know
bitch
what
coming
I'm saying?
back some now, but that bitch, man, just gotta give it time. Long as it's trying to push. But
Yeah, that it showed you what it want to do. So I'm good with that. I'm good with that push. I don't care. You can pull
yeah.
back.
My boy. Fuck,
I ain't
go ahead,
tripping.
bitch. Real talk though, bro. Like, fuck that shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. I lose another 500. I'm gonna give it back. Get it back.
Mhm.
Like, I don't give a fuck, bro. Because at the end of the day, you gotta risk it for the biscuit, bitch. I'm learning every time. All right, don't do close stops. Just don't do it. Fuck, period. If you
Yeah,
think some shit gonna go, just ride it. Close stops don't never work. Like I told you, them bitches don't never work for a nigga. Even if I pull my stop in positive, that shit don't be working. That shit always come back, stop me, and then continue every time. Like, so it just be like, fuck it.
gold ain't doing shit. Kind of reacting to the news though a little bit.
Let me see. I'm telling you, the only thing I'm fucking with right now, bro, 2901, or to close this green and then give me a green that engulfs this green on the 8 hour, which means I'm not entering this bitch till tomorrow's open.
Right.
Basically, I don't even want to fuck with it until they close green on this 8 hour chart. I fucked with GJ because it just kept closing green. But it was already going strong. Just keep going. But US 30 played on me. Did that dumbass pullback all the way broke all the way through. It looked like these sales about to be relevant. I'm just going through them bitches real quick, looking at all them shit. AU looked like it broke down into some sales. It's below consolidation of the 8 hour. So basically, right now we're looking at like, I'm looking to see if this bitch gonna close below, like if this bitch closed below 6.626 and starts to move down, then we got sales for sure. But if it close above 0.627, then and starts to move up on the 8 hour, then you got buys. But that's not gonna be until 4 o'clock. You're not gonna know until 4 o'clock. I'm not even fucking with that until 4 o'clock either. Like it's just certain shit I gotta wait for the setup. Like you gotta wait for the 8 hour close. Oil looks like it's got some sales in. Like you can sell oil right now or some shit. That bitch kind of look like a go. I ain't even gonna cap. You got oil on your charts? On your watch, like on your watch list on TradingView. So yeah, I was about to say that bitch moving. Look like some sales. I ain't gonna cap. Really thinking about. Let's see. I'll put some watch shit on, some alerts on oil. Cause that bitch look good to go. Yeah, brother. Fuck this shit. I ain't, man. Nigga can't be scared to lose. Rest the biscuit, dog. Fuck it. The biscuit, all I got.
Yeah.
I was just watching, man, I love to watch like rich people speak, bro. Like, I love it. I love listening to billionaires and shit's talk, dog. Like, they just giving niggas all the motivation I need, bro. They be saying shit like $1 million is not a lot of money. I, I made my first 36,000. Turn that into a million to 3 million and never look back. Changed my life. Stupid ass. I'm like, man, this shit crazy. These niggas be going ahead, bro. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. But they make that shit possible. Like, it seemed possible. Like, that shit not hard.
What he used to turn his money profitable? He was trading.
Well, that boy, he had Greg. You ever heard of Grant Cardone?
Yeah.
Yeah, Grant Cardone speaking about how he had went and did this game show or something where they wanted him to make $1 million off $100 or something, and he had like shit. Yeah, he went in and did that shit, and he went in with it. Like he said he gave the $100 they gave him. He said he gave that shit back. And he was like, man, I'm gonna just start from nothing. And he realized that it takes people because all you're looking for is more zeros, he said. So he said he realized that, and he was like, man, it ain't the money. I need more people because the people gonna help me generate the bread type shit.
Right.
So I was just listening to him speak about like that little shit and shit. Just like, man, this shit dope though. Just to hear them boys speak, just to learn some shit from them, motherfucker that got what you want type shit. Nigga done did it already. Fuck.
Right. That's fire.
Just be little inspirations type shit. Like, damn, German 30 busting. Finally, bitch, he ain't had to knock me out first, stupid hoe. Stupid ass. My eye be up right now, bro. Good. About 150, bro. At least 100, at least 170, 80. Like that shit jumping. I punched them in their fucking nose. My bad. But anyways, That shit pisses me off, son. That shit pisses me off. Don't knock me out and then continue where I said you was gonna go. Like, come on, bro. That shit's unnecessary. But anyway, bro, fucking
Nigga be having them tight ass stops to get you.
yeah, one of them was break even. Like I was in since yesterday, bro. Like you gonna wait till this morning from yesterday to take a nigga out? Like I was in early yesterday, bro. I've been in that shit hours. Like, and y'all gonna just come all my hours of waiting, just gonna come take me out and then go. Boy, y'all some hoes. That should be some hoe shit, bro. Like nigga done setting this shit for hours for y'all to do that. Just so you could come down to go back where I said you was gonna go. For real?
You knew you be having your like something that tell you when news about to come out type shit.
On my TradingView? No.
Well, I don't be looking
That's
on TradingView. I be looking on like that My FX book or they got
oh yeah, no, I be on the websites. I just don't check that shit all the time. I'm more into technical analysis for the most part. I do be checking them news when it's gonna happen and shit, but I don't check it all the
like,
time.
the news is the reason that the market, went back down and stopped out. That was the only reason why that bitch did that, because of the news.
Right.
You feel
Yeah, they still some hoes.
me? Yeah, that's some
Niggas say they still some hoes. That's still some hoe shit, boy. That is still some hoe shit. But nah, like I
yeah,
was saying though, listening to them boys great is dangerous, like in a good way.
yeah. It's just
What
helping
you was
you
about to
prep,
say?
letting you know this shit really is, feasible.
Right.
Mind to that shit. You can really
And
do this shit. Like,
they don't even be traders, bro. They be doing a whole bunch of other shit. That'd be the whole key. Like niggas be like buying houses, flipping them, like buying an apartment complex. That's what he said he did. He bought his first house, first two houses, and realized that like there's other ways you can make money. And then he was like, I think he had not made as much with those first two. And then like that the third house or whatever, the third space he got was a 48, I think he said. Like you could hold 48 people type shit, like a
yeah,
48 house apartment complex. And he was like, he went in from there. That was the one that really helped build bread, and he just took off. But that shit dope, man. Just watch it. There's so many ways
wait,
to make money.
nah, it really is.
That
I
nigga
even like I
said,
said, I wanted to, and I still do like that. That'll be like a nice little future play to on what you call 'em, like a little apartment complex and shit for the rent. But I was like, what's even better than that? The storage facilities, man. That's the play. That's the
storage.
fucking play. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I heard somebody talking about them vending machines,
Yep,
um,
yep,
laundromats.
yep.
You know what I'm
Laundromats, yeah.
saying?
All that
And
shit. Shit.
yeah, them storage facilities.
So
Yep.
it's gonna make money even with the people who don't have a lot of money, like the lower income people. They go use that shit faithfully every week.
Real talk, bro. Niggas gotta wash their clothes.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me?
Got to.
Niggas gotta wash their clothes. Niggas need somewhere to stay. Nigga, what you just said, niggas, we need what place
Buy
to store?
need a store. They need a storage facility to put their
My
shit
shit in
in.
storage right now. Fuck you mean.
Nigga, I had doing our business and shit, nigga. We had at the height of it, we had fucking 5 storage locations, nigga, 5 units. So I
Damn.
know the business good, nigga. We had
Nah,
so
it
much
be
shit.
like that because shit, with the movie set, we had like 3, 4 units.
Right. Yeah, nigga be thinking like it just be people moving and shit, but nah, nigga, it be whole fucking companies be using about 7 storage units just to store shit.
Real talk, bro. And then you think about one company, right? Nigga, that's about buku companies.
Nah, real talk,
If your
real
store is
talk.
nice, they gonna fuck with you. Hey, you got nice pricing for it,
Yep.
they gonna fuck with you. Fuck
And they
with
not that
me.
high. That's the thing about it. Them bitches ain't like crazy high. Like they be having, like all storage units, all storage facilities. Certain ones make certain type of money, but you got the ones that's air conditioned and all nice. Then you got the cheaper ones and shit. And all them bitches be making money, but even the low cost one, the cheaper one, them hoes be like nigga under $500,000 and shit. But you got the potential to make stupid ass bread every month because them niggas be paying what 70, 100, $200 a month, and you got like fucking 50 of the big units, and you got fucking 100 of the small ones. So nigga
Right.
just you eat,
Yeah. Right. 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 I said I
eat,
pay $90 a month for mine.
right.
So that shit, yeah. Yeah, bro. That shit not cheap neither. Fuck, like
Fuck
it's
no,
cheap, but it ain't cheap. Like $90 a month. Shit.
that's not that's 1,000 a year,
You
close
feel
to it.
me? Right. Real talk. So niggas just gotta be on point, like start, using your bread to do shit. Like if you got fucking like what I wanna do, probably use my credit to do some shit. Like
Yeah,
if I can, like fuck bullshitting. I low key wanna I don't know, I wanna do all type of shit to be honest. But I just wanna start somewhere. Like
yeah.
where do I start? Where do I get my hands dirty?
I know a good little situation too is that you ever heard of wholesaling real estate?
No.
Yeah, I did that shit before. That's one thing I could say. That shit, it fucking works. Put it like that. It ain't no fucking fraud. Like even though it's a lot of people selling courses and teaching niggas how to do it, like I actually did that shit before. That shit worked, and I did it like shit twice and made money out that hole. So basically, all that is you finding somebody that want to sell a house for whatever,
Damn. Damn.
whatever.
Boy, Jeremy 30 started busting just now. That bitch went up 50 points in like 2 seconds. And GJ
That's,
did too. GJ started busting too. That bitch didn't do as much,
oh
but shit, these bitches
yeah,
moving. They got news out right now.
fuck no,
I gotta go
no,
look.
no.
Niggas, I
That bitch
gotta go look.
my TP.
Huh?
That bitch 30 pips away from my TP for GJ. Damn, that
GJ, I'm telling you though, that bitch moving. Like, what
nah,
the
for real.
fuck? That's why I said, damn.
What the fuck happened, man? Hold up.
Shit. Let me see. No news today yet. GJ had no news, no red folders. That's why I was wondering, bitch, you moving off of the US markets fucking folders. That bitch coming
Man,
back down now. That bitch just wanted to go do some happy shit.
that was a nice little buy right quick though.
Right. Very quick. I don't, that's why I'm saying I don't call no bullshit. When I lock into, like I am right now, like after I lost that, oh yeah, I'm locked in, bro. I'm not about to call no bullshit. If you see me calling something, that bitch for sure go or it's not going like instantly. It's an
Right, right,
instant
right,
go or instant not go. That's what I'm calling
right.
right now. You gonna know as soon as you get in what this bitch about to do. Shit,
Okay.
both my cars busting right now. I ain't bullshit. Let me see. And that'd be the thing, like German 30 hit. I was up yesterday on that bitch, but I had made a mistake, got back in at the top. And when I did that, I had fucked around. I'm knowing instantly that it was a bad move. Like I was like, why did I just do this? And that bitch,
Yeah,
but it was all good. Fuck, it's all good. It is what it is.
British pound.
German 30 already kind of high as fuck. Fuck it.
The all-time highs for German 30.
Yeah, yeah, fuck it at this point, bro.
Yeah. Okay,
Fuck,
S&P was doing last year, making
126.
all-time high. City all in consolidation. Waiting on that to break off for the longest. That's just
Not even they want to pull back. Mm, Hopefully, just don't pull back a lot, bro. Don't do me dirty. Shit. A slight pullback is fine, nigga. Just continue doing what you was just doing. Nobody was complaining.
right.
Nobody's complaining, bro. There's no news, nothing for you to even pull it back. Let's go. Let's go, bro. You been bullshitting all week.
Let's see what German do I have?
Nigga said you been bullshitting all week. I don't have time to be playing with your ass.
That nigga talking like a kid, stupid
bro, you better. Better let them know what the fuck you need, bro. I don't play with their ass. That I will take my money to South Beach. Y'all bitches keep playing. Take my talents down to South Beach.
Great Britain. I wonder what the fucking German currency is. This shit is.
Nigga say the GXY. Stupid.
That's what I thought.
I don't know. I'm fucking with you. The BXY probably. The PXY. Stupid. The pound.
German.
It's a pound, not a dollar. So I don't know.
What the German pound?
Mm-hmm. It might be the PXY. Stupid ass. I don't know. I'm guessing. I don't know what the symbol is.
I'm trying to see if they got news. I want to add it to the shit. Let me see what kind.
Oh, you talking about the GBP? That's what you mean?
Great. That's Great Britain pound. But that's Germany though.
I thought so. That's what I was looking at
Britain is Germany.
for.
I guess so. Let me see.
That's what I'll be looking at for.
Great Britain.
Why these bitches try to pull back now? Don't pull back now. After you just done did that big ass buy up, don't pull back. I shoot you, bitch.
Oh nah, that's something different.
Well,
Germany and Great Britain. That's UK is Great Britain. Germany is something else.
bro, I've been using Great Britain pound for the German fucking news forever.
Oh, but it said
It,
German,
it was crazy is that shit really moved with that news. That's the funny part.
British Royal Family. Well, maybe it is. Maybe.
I mean, there's Germany over there. Fuck, they not far from each other.
Because I know Germany, like if you're looking at it like the actual dollar to see if news coming up of that country, I know they flag is like that black, red, and yellow. That's what the color would be. Black, red, and yellow.
Yeah, it's affected by news about the European Central Bank.
Oh, okay.
Um, ECB, I guess. Monetary policy is a primary driver of the DAX. The DAX falls when the ECB raises rates. What's the ECB? I don't be saying that.
The ECB.
The
Oh,
European Central Bank.
yeah, European Central Bank. Yep.
Yeah, but I'm saying we don't. That don't be on the news list. A trade
No.
war pandemic can impact the DAX. They say a trade war, global events, a trade war or pandemic can impact the DAX. U.S. jobs data and other macroeconomic factors can affect the DAX. U.S. jobs data, why? U.S. tariffs on metal and other trade tensions can affect the DAX. U.S. tariffs and inflation risk pressure German stocks. Okay, because we do. we do have German companies down here,
Right.
like Adidas and shit. We was talking about.
Right.
So U.S. tariffs and inflation. That's why when inflation moved, German 30 moved because
Right.
inflation risk
Yeah.
pressure
So yeah,
German
you're
stock.
right. Yeah, that German, it's all in the Eurozone. So yeah, that falls under Euro. Any Euro news, it's gonna be Germany and all them other motherfuckers.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. And what they're saying right here on Google is the U.S. tariffs and inflation risk pressure the German stock.
Got you.
Because we, like I said, we have the U.S. The German stocks here. We have shit down here. Inflation expectations and Fed decisions are important to investors. Inflation and tariffs are parsed in the morning. All right, yeah. Look, quick school lesson.
Yeah.
Yeah, though, bro. I'm basically just gonna try to wait on some type of profits. See if hopefully these move in my direction. They look like they're giving the energy that they do want to go that way. Nigga just gotta wait. Hopefully not long. Much longer.
You tripping, boy. That bitch fucking up. Yeah, I'm done for the day. If GJ don't work out, regardless, I'm done.
Yeah, facts, bro. These my only two moves I'm probably gonna pull out. For the most part, I don't need to do too much more. Let me see, 193, 192.
Oh.
About 193, right? Lift kicked my nuts today. Damn.
Yeah. Stomped on them bitches.
Stupid bastards.
Stomped on them bitches.
You can see, now do the A town stomp. Do the nigga stupid. Man. Yeah, bro, we all got stumped this week. That's what we were saying. Shit. German 30 still playing with me. That bitch done did that fake out by. Now this bitch taking off down. Bastard. You just gotta be patient though. Yeah, that lift, that shit crazy, bro. That gap down, like for what?
It said, because of that fucking they had dropped the news about them cars that they go release in Dallas. Them all them
Not received well.
yeah, they said that shit didn't receive well. So market dropped 10% from that news.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Not, yeah.
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 Pretty much what that is. Yeah. All right, see about that.
Would I be wrong to close out all my positions already? Because I don't like what the market's doing.
Oh man.
Damn, John. That bitch Dex done just made a whole wick on the hour. Like, what is this? That bitch went way up there and then shot down. What European news are looking like? Ain't none of that neither. Shit. President Trump speaking for one. What's with these fake ass moves?
And I think that's just what the fuck we gonna be dealing with this year, or probably for the next 4 years. That's We'll put it like this: we gonna stop. We gonna have to get readjusted because whatever the fuck the presidency was doing with fucking with old boy, fucking Joe Biden head ass nigga. That shit was slow as hell. The markets was moving just like him.
Yeah,
We get Trump in this bitch, and this bitch get all sporadic and jumping and shit. So that's why I was saying like it's gonna be a little tricky this first quarter, but I think after we get over March and get past the first quarter and really assess what the fuck went down that first quarter, I think it's gonna get a little bit more easier as we progress into the year type shit. See what the fuck
yeah.
is what. I already knew January was gonna be crazy. I mean, the nigga
January
was.
was cool though. I had made some good bread. Shit. February bullshit. Fuck. I mean, I ain't been having no bad since the year started. Fuck, I've been having positive weeks. I've been having positive weeks. I think the first week I traded was kind of iffy, but this the first week where I'm like, man, what the fuck? Fuck is this?
That boy said, "Lift kicked my nuts today." I just saw that shit.
Crazy. The shit that the bitches be doing be sometimes be like, what? Where'd you find this? Where'd you find this? But nah, it just takes patience, bro. Real life patience. That's why this week I lost a lot because I had more patience. Like I was like trying to do shit. Like a lot of stuff from last week, I was trying to do for this week. Bro, same in AU. Oh, you was talking to him. That's you.
What about you?
Oh no, I was reading your message. I thought that was him. But yeah, that's kind of how I fucked up this week. Having a little bit more patience because I would have been stopped out a lot of those plays early. And I wouldn't even lost this much. Like I would have stopped them bitches out. But I was trying to have more patience, which was cool because I'm trying to let the play out. And then once it really gave me the full signal, I got out, which was good because every time I did that, if I did what I was supposed to do afterwards, which was reverse my call, I could have made all my bread back and then a little bit more. You see what I'm saying? So, because anytime my call don't work out, all I gotta do is reverse it. Even if I took like a -100, I'm gonna make that 100 back, and then I'm gonna make a little bit more. Like with US 30, I think I took like an 80 point fucking take stop. If I would have reversed it, I could have made like 200 plus. Fucking same thing with gold this week. Um, all I had to do was just like anytime I reverse, just put a little 200 point stop, basically. I mean, take profit right quick. Fucking the only thing that didn't was DAX because I kept getting stopped out at break even. It wasn't like a pullback that took me out type shit. It be all good though, bro. Like this shit, man. This shit definitely is for the birds. But fuck, call me a fucking like my boy Gates said, call me a duck because I quack. Yeah. This shit retarded, bro. This shit retarded.
I know damn well this bitch ain't about to do no 4-hour bullish engulfing with their bitch ass boy.
Let's see.
After
I
that
take
sold
it.
out.
I take it. I hop in that bitch too. Oh, see, this the area. Like I told you though. I wanted to close right here. I'm gonna wait. Like I told, I need a 4-hour close. 8-hour close. Wait for that close. It's not going. I don't think it's going to go, dog. I'm gonna say that right now. I don't see it in golf, man. But if it do close and it's 6.627 and above, that's a good close for buys. Especially if it closed then engulfs the last candle, engulfs it for buys. That'll be good buys. But if it closes below 626, huh?
The only thing I'm kind of thinking that it could. I mean, the weekly don't look too great for sale. The weekly look ugly as fuck. First of all, let me just say that the weekly look ugly as fuck on AU, and the daily could. It won't. We won't know till 4 o'clock when the daily close, but we could see a bearish daily engulfing on AU, and that would line up for these sales we already started to
And
have with CPI.
that's crazy. I was not even looking at the daily. I was looking at the 8-hour, and I called that. That's what I was just calling.
Yeah,
If it closes below 626, that's a sell. And if you get, if you get it to close there and then it starts to move down, easy sales. You can sell
yeah,
that bitch all the way to 0.620.
yeah. I'm gonna just go wait. I'm gonna chill out on AU. I'm gonna wait for the daily close. I'm gonna see what that bitch do.
I'm telling you, bro, that daily close gonna tell you everything you need to know because it's gonna be done dead what it needed to do. Like all that
Yeah,
ziggy zag, you got about 4 hours. I mean, about 6 hours left. It's gonna be done did all that ziggy zag shit. You're gonna get most of that shit out the way. Then all you gotta do is wait for the movement to start, the volume to start coming in, and you're gonna see
yeah,
exactly where it want to go.
yeah,
That's just how I feel about some moves because it already just did this big ass red bar. So now I have to see how it retest the area, how it react to that. You see what I'm saying? You
yeah.
be you be wanting to see like what's next, and then react off of that because
Right.
you know it's easier to read if that makes sense. Like you can't react off that big ass red bar unless you like just assume that shit gonna buy it because it didn't close below the last low. I mean, but even then, like it went down first and then it went up. So I don't know. I'm just looking at all this shit like be trying to
Yeah,
analyze that shit.
yeah, that's true.
Let me see.
Um,
Yeah, 30. Go up a little bit. Shoot your stupid ass. Let's get on my
TJ,
nerves.
4 hours. Come on, bitch, you gotta go bullish. You need that. You can't do no bearish, no more selling.
For real, for real. For you done did all that
I
already. Yeah, we
tell
done
you to switch
seen
sides.
this
We did this
volume
week.
on the buys. It's crazy anyway. So we fucking with the German pass today.
Yeah, man, nigga fucking with Germany right now.
And Brenton and shit.
Yeah, man, fucking with German, Britain right now, man. We
That's
fucking US.
well you said the Brenton the UK, but ain't that shit all of Europe? Europe.
I think that kind of tie into that Brexit shit too. I think Great Britain exited from the European nation. That's why
Oh,
GBP is, I think so. I'm not. It would make sense, but I'm not sure. But I think that's probably tying into that Brexit shit. I think everybody was in the Eurozone, and then UK broke away from that shit. So they just
okay.
they got GBP for the UK, and everything else is under Euro, like Germany, fucking Europe, fucking and somebody else, some of them other countries out there, all sit under Euro. Them niggas, they probably gonna want to jump back in. Like, nah, we want to come back. We don't want Brexit. We want Brenter, nigga, not Brexit. We want Brenter.
So I like to interview sometimes because I be feeling like I talk a lot. I be wanting to ask questions. So this is my ask question. So, segment. So what do you feel like is the most thing that you learn in trading, whether it's like in the charts or off the charts? Like, what do you feel like you learn the most from trading or in trading? With either or, however you want to answer that.
Uh, well, one thing I could say that's kind of been sticking out that I learned, but I fucking my brain is I be thinking I'm smarter than the markets, so my brain, but is when you see a bearish engulfing that's opposite of your position. So if you're in buys and you running in profit, everything good, and then you see a bearish engulfing on the 4 hour, the daily, opposite of where you going,
Mm-hmm.
get out the trade. That
Mm-hmm.
that that rule right there needs to be fucking, instilled in my brain to where it's just like a fucking thing. But I still got in the back of my head, well, that bitch, I don't wanna get out, and then that bitch turn around and go up. But then I be forgetting, like, yeah, you could get out and you can also get back in. If the bitch start to turn back around, you get back in. So I gotta get better with, trusting my rules, which I mean that's one of the rules I kind of break sometimes, but it's fucking yeah, like I said last night at midnight they had a bearish engulfing. I should have got out of buys and got into sales right then and there. I mean, it was a lot of things that happened. Like I said, it swept the weekly high with that bullish move. Then we had a bearish engulfing at midnight on the 4 hour. Like, that was the move. Like, it already did what it had to do on the bullish side. It swept the highs from last week, and now it's trying to possibly attack the
Mm-hmm.
lows of,
I see that
and
bearish engulfer that you're talking about. It
yeah,
didn't
right there.
engulf the wick though, right? You're just
Huh?
talking about the body.
The body. Yeah, I don't worry about the wick. It's all
Okay.
about the body.
Okay.
It's all about the body. But I mean, the wicks are important, but when I look for these golfs, I look for the body mostly. So yeah, that was, and then like I said, the continuation to confirm even more, even though this is confirmed for me. But like how you be saying, like when that bitch start to break down and break below this wick of the
Mm-hmm.
bearish engulf, then that's
Mm-hmm.
like, okay, yeah, go.
Yeah, it's a for sure.
That's a for
Yeah, it
sure,
wouldn't
yeah.
have broke that. It wouldn't have broke that. And engulfed and break. That's like two signals. You know what I'm saying?
Facts,
And
facts,
the
facts.
wick against the that's three. Because the wick went against the buy. That big ass wick.
Come up here.
No, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even. The at the top, it got a wick up there. Like, yeah, right there. It's a big ass wick to rejecting that high.
Yeah. But
You
this
see,
this purple line,
it
this
ain't
purple
it
line
ain't
right here, that's the previous weekly high. So this is
bam.
this
It
this the
went inside and got the fuck out.
Friday, and that bitch swept that high right here and then gave us a bearish engulf. So yeah, sell.
it went under that. So it's 3 signals on a 4-hour chart. I'm looking at off of like two candles.
Right.
2 of them on that one candle by itself.
And then, not only that, knowing that you got CPI news coming up in the morning, it's like, yeah, because sometimes I do realize that the market will set up for a move, knowing that the news is gonna, like, they know the news coming out at 7:30 in the morning, so they go push the market high to,
make people get into buys.
The buys. Everybody gonna be like, oh, it's buys, and then that's what the liquidity is, and then they go sell it off on your ass and attack stop losses. So everybody that was buying here had stop losses here, and everybody just got.
That's what happened to me on US 30 yesterday.
Facts.
That bitch, same thing.
So that's the main thing I be kind of going against, but I'm learning as I go. This is a learning process, and eventually this will be a thing of a past. Yeah, we just go, super loud. But I'm. That's what I be saying. That right there. That's what I.
It's so crazy because you're gonna go back just off of what you just said. You're gonna go back like years from now and not even remember like this learning process as much. You're gonna be like, oh man, that's just this, that, and the third. It's about to do that. You don't even know how you even know all this shit. It's just years of experience.
Nah, facts.
Because I barely even know how I'm at where I'm at with this shit. It's just like,
for real.
I don't know. I just see stuff like, and I just know that that's that, and that,
Yeah.
Like, okay, we accumulating right here. It's breaking out. Okay, boom, boom, that. It's gonna retest. Like you just know shit. You see shit. You've been doing it so long. You like know it's got to fill that gap. It's got to do that.
Exactly. Yeah, when you start talking to yourself like that, and especially remembering what markets did in the past, like when you was in it, because you know all these scenarios happen over and over. Like this is
right
a repeating thing of markets sweeping previous highs and then selling off. Like it's just like, yeah, man, just go with the move. If it ain't engulfing and it's moving, then you got to look at the structure. What's structure telling you? Is structure holding or is structure breaking? Like you could catch that as a trade too.
Mm.
So yeah, but I think AU will be in sales. I think we about to sell off. It's and then when I looked at the weekly, if we close, I mean, even though it's a green candle, but it gapped down, if we close green, even if we continue to sell off, like say we close down here on Friday and the momentum is still sales, then next week, if we continue lower, we'll be setting up for a bearish engulfing for the weekly and possibly, well, shit, if we get this bearish engulfing on the daily, that's all she wrote. That's murder she wrote. That's it. Because Wednesday, we got what? Thursday and Friday. So yeah, that could be the setup right there. So hopefully we get this bearish engulfing by 4 p.m. on this daily. And then we
Not hopefully. You can't think like that. That nigga say hopefully.
I mean, I'm a wait. I'll put it like this.
The reason I say that is because it sounds like a bias. You see what I'm saying? Hopefully it does this.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, hopefully it don't sound good. Like, I mean, it's what I mean by it is like I'm gonna wait to see if it's gonna happen, and hopefully, if it do, I'm gonna take that sale. Like based on of course the smaller time frame move. I ain't gonna just go with a sell off the daily. I'm gonna check the 4 hour, check everything else, make sure everything lining up. But but yeah, if we get this 6 on the daily, yeah, that's just an added confirmation that we should be selling.
For sure.
But that don't mean it's gonna sell though, because I done seen bearish engulfings on the daily not turn into a sell. It's rare though. That's one thing. That's one thing I can say from back testing. When you see a daily
trending that direction.
when you see a daily or weekly bearish engulfing, 90% of the time, the next day or the next week gonna be bearish too. 90%. It's very rare that you get a bearish or bullish daily or weekly engulfing, and the next candle, day or week, don't continue in that trend. Is rare. It'll happen on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and all that shit. But on the daily, yeah, if we get a bearish engulfing on the daily, 9 times out of 10, the next day gonna be selling too. That's what I've seen from just trading over the years. That's set in stone. I know that's the truth. That bitch already starting to pull back. What the fuck is GJ doing, bitch?
That bitch chilling. Sometimes I mean I rather shit to take its time because then when it go, that bitch gonna give you real points. It should give you more points though. That bitch should push more. But I don't like for shit to go fast because that shit gonna come down just as fast. Type shit.
Yeah.
So I don't be mind waiting sometimes. Like once
Kind
I
of like
done got in.
pull back on AU after that bitch sold off the news. That motherfucker pulled back.
That should be crazy. You don't be having no time to think. But
No news release, but better go with your move and be sitting on the sideline.
this bitch should go though, dog. That bitch is pulling back. It hasn't breaking that 15 yet. I don't know. I'm looking at the 15-minute. I'm trying to see something.
Nice. That nigga got that bitch. Yeah. Nigga said he took that sell on that and go. Yeah, hold that shit, man. You never know. Lift may pop up. You never know. But that bitch gapped down like a son of a bitch. Boy, that bitch gapped down from 1440 all the way to 1230. Like, that's a whole $2. That bitch just dropped. Market open.
You said went from what?
That lift closed yesterday at 1440 and it opened at 1230 price. So that's like damn, that's a $2 drop.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's
Yeah,
a lot for lift.
that was ugly.
That's a lot
That
for
shit
lift.
was ugly.
But the fact that this bitch pushed up so much from that drop, that's kind of looking like they engineered that shit to happen. That's because I bet you they know a lot of people was in buys on that shit. I know they got the data to tell that how many people is in buys, and enough people can take profit or whatever the case may be, and let the market sell off to where it gap down. Because I really don't know what has to happen between sellers and buyers for the market to just gap down so much. I mean, I know we don't get that over the night trading that probably fucking central banks get access to. So them niggas be trading all throughout the night and shit probably.
Most
Either
likely.
that or it was just so many people that was selling. And once the market opened, all them orders hit. And
Right.
that's what happened. Niggas already liquidating their positions. And then the market just opened $2 lower. Stock market's still a little mystery to me, but I kind of got the gist of it for the most part.
Why are Dax and GJ moving the same?
Yeah. So the fuck is.
Looking at it, every time one move down, that one move down. When that big move up, that big move up. And when one of them spiked, the other one spiked.
Let's see how the charts look. But the chart's totally different though. If you look at the 4-hour on the German 30 and look at the GJ, German 30 predominantly just going bullish, and GJ just kind of in a fucking kind of a bearish range. It's ranging, but it's kind of got a bearish
Right.
move too.
Nah, just right now for some reason, I guess.
Right.
I don't know, that shit's weird. What the fuck? They starting to switch back up. That bit was moving the same though. That shit crazy. Yeah though, man. That was cool insight, bro. He was talking about the engulfings, right? Like
Yeah.
he was saying how like
What
just
you? I mean,
learning.
what you learn from the market? What's some things you probably got to work on or whatever?
Um, what things I got to work on? Holding. That's why I held through the bullshit this week because I was like, I don't hold enough through the good shit, like enough, like because I see BS, So it's like I gotta work on my holding. But I mean, what I've learned, I don't know, man. Patience is a virtue. Goddamn. Nah, man. Sometimes you really have to wait these things through. Like right now, all my plays are pulling back, but I'm not really like tripping about it because my TP didn't hit yet, like or a stop loss didn't get hit yet. So it's like or like a significant area didn't get hit yet. So it's like we getting fluctuations. This is like areas you could be getting more positions in or some shit like that. It's like I don't know, like you gotta really analyze shit and really like attack this shit. Attack, analyze, attack. You know, shit, defend. Get out of there, like back up. Analyze again. All right,
Yeah.
attack again, attack. It's like you gotta really be on in war mode with this shit. Like you in battle with this shit. For real, it's like
And when you put it like that, I could kind of see how analyzing should be the first stage, and it should stop with that. I think you should attack and defend more. I think how you had said analyze, because I do that too. Like, nigga be starting to like just kind of looking at the market at different. It kind of could shake you out of your bias. Like, put it like this: if you already woke up and you look at the market like, okay, I'm taking buys. It look like it's gonna go up buys. I think the plan of attack as the market goes down is just keep adding buys because you already believe it's going up. So just keep adding buys. Like, don't even analyze it no more because the more you analyze it, and the more you're gonna trick yourself out of a situation. I think a
because
nigga
once you,
go with your moves,
I
stick with
love
that
that.
buy, and just really, if anything, if you trading and you adding buys primarily in the morning, you shouldn't even change nothing until 4 o'clock, until the daily close.
What's crazy about what you said? Because once you become a master, you don't analyze anymore. You just automatically attacking and defending because it's
Exactly.
second nature. So I love
Exactly.
that.
Like
I
in a
love that.
war. Like for the war. Like nigga, you analyze, okay, they on this side, they on this side. Okay, we gonna flank them niggas from this side and we gonna come up the middle. We already
And
got
then
our
it's
plan.
just straight war after that.
Yeah, just straight war. Just attack.
Nice. That's why them boys be hitting for 10 bands and shit like that quick because they attack.
Yeah.
You be seeing so many positions. You be like, how these niggas got this many positions? And you know what I'm saying? On this one play, like
They
what?
just gone with that move, like even in AU. When I saw that bearish engulf and niggas should have took sales and every other bullish move, any kind of inkling of a bullish move, I should have just been selling.
Right,
Just keep that
right,
move. Like,
right.
don't analyze shit no more. Even if that bitch push up, just like how the 4 hours started to push up looking like that bitch about to engulf it. Like, nope, sell that bitch. Sell it. And then that would have been a profitable move because as you can see now, the bitch starting to sell back off.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Just
I'm
wait for more opportunity
waiting for more
to do
opportunity.
your
Already
thing.
analyze it enough. And we already know being trading for how long we've been trading, nigga, you only need, I'm gonna say at max, nigga, 10 minutes to analyze the market. You really only need 10. You can do it in 5 minutes. You know what the fuck going on. Like, nigga don't need a whole hour to analyze the market. Like, that's real.
No, not at all. Shit, I'm looking. I'll be getting plays quick. Nah,
That's why they say
shit.
a
Look at
fucking
this shit.
5-year-old could analyze the market. Like, you put up a chart to a kid and be like, does this market
Mm-hmm.
look like it's going up or down? And bam, they go just simply say it's up or down. And bam, there you go. Like, what else is there to analyze?
Facts, facts, bro.
We be getting into even though it is key to look at it, engulfings and structure and all that shit, that is key. Not don't disregard that, but overall, if the market is going up or if it's going down, just keep going with that move until the shit don't work out no more. Like, simple as that. Like, niggas should really be having more stop losses hit instead of us like, I'm gonna get out the market.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Type.
Nah, factual, bro. If I'd have been holding like some of them gold plays from 2 weeks ago,
Oh, nigga, you'd have been
going crazy, bro.
You'd have been in Austin already. That nigga would have been waiting for South House already.
Nah, real talk, bro. Real talk, though. Real talk. And the German 30 plays, both of them. Both
Yeah,
of them, because
yeah.
they just working out that way. It's like, shit, if you see it working out that way, try it. Just try it. Try it. Try
That's
it,
why I
bro.
be
You
liking
get in
these
the
lives,
markets.
bro. Be talking that shit through. It just help you be better prepared. Like nigga be
Mm-hmm.
remembering what we saying it like, from yesterday and shit.
Mm-hmm.
And if not, just go watch the fucking video again. That's why the lives are so important.
Hmm.
Just go watch the video again. You'll reiterate all that shit.
Yeah, bro. For sure, for sure. This shit definitely getting a second nature to it. Like,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
starting to learn it. We starting to learn that shit. Like, niggas be saying some significant shit.
No, but
Let's see. I'm just analyzing this damn German 30 chart right quick. Marking it up real fast. Mark up my charts, goddamn.
I think German 30 going up. TJ already
Yeah,
pushed me.
yeah, it already did that damn pullback and made a new high. So, shit. But yeah, um, for sure, for sure. I like that though, bro. For sure. Like, just be on point, man. Don't
Yeah.
be over analyzing shit. It's it's not called for.
Nah,
I'm trying to shit.
that
I'm over
note.
here analyzing the damn charts, my damn stuff right now. They're talking shit, marking them up.
That's really the only thing that's green is the Jappy pass. UJ, GJ, AJ, EJ. They all. But
Mm-hmm.
German 30 a little bullish. The VIX is high. Well, not high, but at 2%. Got a
Yeah.
little volume.
All right, yeah, my partner said get ready to sell the US 30 and all that shit because the the inflation up. Man, that shit definitely
Yeah.
selling. That shit is definitely selling right now. I wonder if he in that shit. He probably is. He told me to sell it.
I would think inflation would make the stock market go up though. I would think it would. Especially if CPI going up, because that means inflation going up, CPI going up. So that means people are still buying shit at these high prices. That's all that's saying. Niggas still buying eggs, milk, and gas.
Niggas ain't got no choice.
Yeah, until the shit get too high. I think it'll like if inflation get to fucking 6, 7, 8%, and then you start to see the CPI drop, then we know this shit really taking effect. And then the stock market probably go drop because niggas not buying shit. So niggas not gonna hit their earnings.
You said if what all of what happened now?
I feel like if inflation go up to like say it's inflation right now at 3.4%, if that bitch go up to like 6, 7, 8%,
Oh Lord.
and the CPI don't keep going up, like if I mean, yeah, if inflation go up and CPI go down, that's a sign to let people know that inflation is so high that people are not buying shit no more. They starting to not buy it,
Mm-hmm.
type shit.
Mm-hmm.
And then the stock market, possibly in the near future from that point, probably is gonna start to sell off because the company's not gonna be hitting their earnings if niggas not buying shit.
Right. Right.
I mean, it
And
makes
I don't
sense,
think
but
that's gonna happen right now.
yeah.
We good. I think we good as an economy for like the next
I mean, if put it like this,
five years.
if that shit happen, the Fed gonna start to cut rates, and if the Fed cut rates, that's an automatic boost for the stock market. Every time the Fed cut rates, the stock market go up. It's just like a given.
I'm about to add
So
the DJ. I ain't capping.
the only positive thing about inflation going up is whoever own assets, the value of that asset about to go higher. So like gold, when inflation get up, gold go up, real estate go up, nigga art, fucking all kind of shit go up. Whatever, like real assets should start going up in value automatically. But it's an unhealthy increase though. That's the only thing about it. It's an increase, but it ain't the way you want to get increased. It's not the way. Rocket, rocket mortgage. Doo-doo-doo. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Where's the Fed chair testimony?
And love is what changed.
We do keep this in mind.
I'd like to say thank you for being here. It's good to see you. And with that, I yield my time back, Mr. Chairman.
Gentleman yields back the balance this time. The chair turns to the gentleman from Missouri, Mr. Cleaver, for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thanks to our very capable and courageous ranking member. Mr. Chairman, thank you for being here today. As you know, my words, the CFPB has been disemboweled over the last 10 days or so, which probably people, there may not be much concern here on the Hill in certain quarters. And one of the other issues is that is there a regulatory gap, or are there regulatory gaps that you can see clearly, that people can feel, because there is essentially no CFPB for the first time since the end of the Great Recession?
So I don't think we know where this comes to rest. You may have seen last night that the administration nominated somebody to be the permanent head of the CFPB.
Yeah.
So I don't know I'm not sure what the end intention is here. But if you assume that it goes away, then yeah, there would be a gap. But there wouldn't be any federal agency that can examine banks above 10 billion,
hear that shit
whether they're state-owned banks or state non-bank banks
screen that I got?
or national banks. That would be the case. But I'm not sure we know what the end game really is here.
In terms of regulatory
Shit, I just added a position.
gaps
DJ,
that are created when the agency
yeah, I added.
was essentially shut down. Now, I'm assuming
Hell yeah.
that there's been somebody appointed to
DJ.
complete the murder
He's in
of the CFPB. And
You
so
making the market go up.
correct,
You buying that bitch.
that means that there have to be, or either
Shit.
You
I
buying that bitch.
gotta add right now, bro. I gotta get my bread back. They got me messed up. Gotta get my bread back. At least half of it right now, and then I get the other half by tomorrow. By the night. My overnight calls. Shit, then German 30 gonna give me the other half because I'm about to add another position to that one too. I'm not playing with their ass, bro. They got me fucked up. I just need $100 from both calls, and that's gonna be 200 and 200, and then boom, from both calls that'll be 400. Cause I got 2 plays for both. That'll be half of my shit back. Well, 80%. Stupid. Look, you know how to count, stupid. You stupid. Nah, German 30 playing. That bitch trying to take my money. They some hoes. They some hoes in that house. They got some hoes.
I would if I was in German 30, how it's moving down like this, I would probably be looking to maybe add some positions around 22, 12, 22, 13, 22. Yeah, but not 22.
22. Wait, 22, 120. That nigga talking like
20,
pips. Nigga, this is the
22,
number.
22, 130.
Yeah, that's what I thought you meant. Yeah, nigga said 22-12. Nigga, what? What the fuck is that? What number that is?
Nah, for real. I said, fuck that comma, nigga.
Nigga, pips. What?
Oh, man.
22-12. I'm like, so he must mean 22-120, if not
Yeah,
22,
not 22.
0. Yeah, 2200, 20, 22,000, 12.
Right. Even though that would be a good ass buy, though, if you bought around
Done. That would
if
be
a
a
nigga
great
got,
buy. That would
anybody
be the
got 20,
best buy. Right.
that's what I'm
Shit.
saying.
22-12. Yes, I would be looking to buy there too, sir.
Real. That's how you see how that bitch wick down there, but yeah.
Oh, man. Don't remind me. Whole ass markets. Nah, my shit shouldn't have been that close, to be honest. Should not have been that close. At least
Well, you had to get stopped out like that. You had your shit at
it
like
was at
22.
2240,
Yep.
22,040, and I really should have been at 21,950, at least around in there. I think that would have been because it's under that second pullback area, or if not there, 22,900. 21,900, at least around there. Uh, because usually it take out that first pullback and then that second one it'll respect like it did. You see that? You know
Right.
what I'm talking? You know what I mean when I say that? Like that consolidation area.
That
Like
second one got two levels of resistance to try to tap into that was so that second one more powerful.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So yeah, it'd be like that. It's all good. I'm about to get all my bread back right now. They got me messed up. Niggas be talking to the my boy. My added position better be busting. Let's go. Where we at? Cause she busting.
Oh yeah, GJ, come on.
Let's go.
Come on, GJ.
Dax the only one playing. About to smack them. That bitch coming out. Okay, Dax, go ahead, baby. Go ahead.
They got about to run. I know it's
Talk
gonna
your
run.
talk your shit, gang violence.
It's gonna break 22,200 and that bitch gonna fly.
Talk your shit, gang violence.
Yeah, they
That
got
bit
no.
DC Young Fly be saying that shit. That shit funny as fuck, bro. That nigga say, talk your shit, gang violence. That shit funny.
Short covering is down, but don't pay your DAX is down from record highs. Oh shit. The DAX fell from record highs before stabling around 22,050 on Wednesday after a hotter than expected U.S. inflation report added to concerns that the Federal Reserve would slow pace
It
of
don't
the
look like
rate.
no concerns no more.
It was, it was a concern to just niggas who got stopped out. That was the only concern, nigga.
Oh, it ain't concerns no more, boy. I'm telling you, it's $1 billion game, bro. And that's how we gotta look at this shit, bro. We gotta start
Yeah,
looking at this shit like $1 billion game, dog. And that's
right,
when you make the bread. Because we billionaires, you feel me? So we
right.
got billions, okay. How we looking at the markets? All right, okay, okay. I'm gonna just
Yeah,
wait for that. I'm gonna wait for this. Or I'm gonna wait for that. Or I ain't worried about this loss. What? I could lose that. That's just 100,000. Boom. I could. Oh yeah, we gone. Okay. I see the next move. All right. So Dax about to take off on the 8 hour. This bitch looks lovely. That bitch did a fire green close. 10:30. It closed for 2:30. No, it closed at 10:30. All right. It just closed 10 minutes ago, basically. That bitch looks good, bro. This bitch look good for some buys. I'm gonna wait for this hour to close out. And then Well, maybe this 15 minute, and then see if we ain't get in golf for this 15 minute, and then I'm gonna probably add right there. GJ, what you doing, dirty? Nigga
Doing
said,
that.
wait, what happened?
That bitch yenning, man. How the yen work?
Nah, I'm just playing, man. That shit cool. It's cool, man. Yeah, though, bro. What you was saying before I got tapped out, man? Somebody had called me, fucked my shit up.
Oh, I forgot. Boy, nigga be running.
You was saying something about. You was saying all type of shit, bro. That's what I was trying to tap in. It's knowledge, bro. Knowledge. Niggas spitting that shit.
So it's still going up. Come on, GJ, you slut.
Yeah, that's why I said I'm just bullshit. Now that bitch look good.
Yeah, German 30 is starting to push up, inch up a little
Yeah,
bit.
that bitch. That's what I'm saying. As soon as I get this closed, and then another engulf, another close is lit. I don't be playing, bro. I'm attacking these hoes. That's how, man. Look, I don't give a fuck. I know I could do a rack a week, and if not, my worst weeks, I'm doing like break even 500.
Right,
Shit, no more negative weeks. Fuck that bullshit, bro. If I have a negative, it's all good. I'm gonna make that shit back next week.
right.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
mean, as traders, that's the. I think that's what we want to strive for. Is like at worst, if you're gonna be negative, the worst should be a week. Like nigga should. If you getting to the point to where you about to have a negative month, nigga, take off. Just don't trade. Like go use your money in savings to pay your bills, because you do not want to fucking be losing money like that when nigga have a down month. Cause I done heard niggas say that shit, and I know hedge funds and larger
Shit,
institutions,
I've
they can
had
have
negative years.
fuck a negative year. Fuck that. Like a trader should not have a negative year, nigga. You got the opportunities to buy and sell. The only people I can see having negative years is people holding the stock market. But it's the stock market is geared to go up. So yeah, you gonna have negative yearly returns, but I mean your account should still be going up for the most part. For the most part. But I mean, yeah, if you got a negative, like 2022 was a negative year for everybody for the most part. Unless if you were short in the market. That bitch just sold off damn near the whole year. German 30. What Germany doing, man? Them niggas Germany doing something. Last little push of volume. AU starting to act like a hoe. That shit tripped up. Where is lift at? 1370. Come on, lift. Get above $15. Then you got a whole $1.30 to move. You got it. You got it in you. When is this gonna close? 1330. Right before 1400. Yup.
Ah, go pee.
Yeah.
Yo,
Uh,
yo, you get me?
yeah.
Yeah, bro. Um, shit, what I was about to say? Oh, yeah, that AU, bro. That bitch. That's what I was saying. I'm not gonna fuck with that bitch till after 4 because you gonna know a little bit more. You gonna have a little bit more information. You ain't gonna
Yeah,
know whoever trading AU right now within this 8 hour time frame ain't really gonna make no points unless they go range trade. Unless you gonna range trade that bitch. If you range, I think you'll be straight. But if you trying to look for a breakout or movement, that shit ain't going nowhere.
mobile eye robo taxi 2026. They're saying, I wonder if they go, if like, say for instance, if I'm still driving for Lyft in 2026, they about to launch 1,000 robo taxis. Are they go have people drive? Or they go just like, oh, yeah, I think it's a council. Like, nigga, you only drive once a week, so we gonna cancel your shit. And we got a robo taxi to take your job.
Damn, that'd be fucked up.
Now, for real. I mean, but it would benefit them mostly, like to have less drivers and people more dependent on these robo taxis, and they get to keep all the money.
They got a taxi with an ad on top of that bitch passing me up right now. Nigga, like it's money everywhere, bro.
Yeah,
That bitch got an ad on top, like a moving TV ad on that bitch. So you don't look at it.
facts.
Niggas
I
on
be
the
seeing
road.
niggas driving that big truck. They be driving trucks with the big ass fucking billboard on the back of that bitch, the digital billboard.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's money everywhere. You just gotta open your eyes. Like, I would love to start a company or something with y'all boys, man. That should be crazy.
Nah, it's gonna happen. That shit gonna be inevitable. Like niggas too smart to not put their mind together and fuck around with some shit. You know what I mean?
I've been wanting this bitch for a minute. And I'm gonna go and get it.
I don't want to semiconductor. Like, profit of 1 trillion for 2020. Damn.
Wow.
TSM Taiwan Semiconductor reported a profit of 1.1 trillion for 2024 with an operating revenue of 2.8 trillion. Bitch, nigga said we good over
Who
here.
who did that?
TSM
Who that
Semiconductor
is?
Taiwan, the niggas who make all the damn chips for everybody.
The AI chips?
Yeah, every chip. Nvidia, I think Nvidia, AMD, I think all them niggas get their shit from TSM.
Yeah,
Like they outsource that shit to TSM, and then they do all the programming shit with it.
but
Uh,
that's dope. Yeah, man. Like we gotta find some shit. Like Grant was saying, Cardone, he was saying, man, the difference between rich and wealthy is if I'm rich and I like say nigga got I think he said his dad was rich. He had money, you know what I'm saying? But when he died at 52, he was like he everything was, it was like in a matter of 3 weeks, life changed. You know what I'm saying? It was good at first. Pops
right,
was there getting the bread, and the butter. But when he left, nigga, there was nobody to go hunt for him no more. It was like they lost their hunter. So it wasn't good no more. And he
right.
was like, but if you wealthy, he said, man, the dude, the owner of Walmart died like 30 years ago. All his children still got billions. You heard me? All his children still got billions.
I just crazy you said. I just watched the video on them niggas on the wall.
You feel me? What's their
Yeah,
name?
the Waltons.
The Walgreens. The Walmarts. But
Yeah,
hey,
basically
stop doing that fucking shit.
the Waltons. Yeah, them niggas. They big chillin'. They big chillin'. That boy, that's how you talk to your children. Listen up, people. Boy, you talking to your dog? He ain't talking to the market, y'all. He talking to his dog. Yeah, I don't know why dogs do that. My dog used to lay in that bed. Damn, dog. Yeah, I know that shit, bro. That's that nerve. For real. Dogs don't have better. Dumbass. So Lyft had positive earnings but negative revenue. So they earned a lot. Revenue was down. That means the expenses must be high. It was up, but the revenue was down. The earnings up, revenue down. So that means the expenses high. Okay.
Wait, you can hear me?
Yeah. Yup.
I muted my shit and you can still hear me. That's why I was trying. I ain't mean to scream on your shit. But my dog was doing some dumb shit. I thought I muted myself and I did mute myself and that bitch you can still hear me.
Nah, we caught all that shit.
That's why
That's
I was
why I
like,
said.
wait, this nigga can
That's
hear me,
why
bro?
I said he not cussing at the markets, y'all. He talking to his dog.
Yeah, motherfucker retarded. Alright, so yeah. It's about time to add the German 32. Fuck you, man. Definitely about to add to that bitch. They got me fucked up. Let's go. I'm already up a hundo. A Hyundai and stick. I need another one. What settings?
Uh,
Gold just hit 2901. Oh, shit moving.
42 surprise. Actual revenue is down. Estimated actual. And it wasn't down by much. It was estimated 1.56 and the actual was 1.55. So the niggas $8 million or $9 million. That's what the niggas missed. So it wasn't about much. See them. But yeah, man, you say you about to add some more positions?
I just added the German 30, but I don't think I want that motherfucker this high. That bitch is at the high. I don't know how much more that shit gonna go.
I bet you add it early.
But gold just gave me a signal, so I might go add in there. I might
Damn,
go
GJ.
get in there. What it did?
That bitch had shit. That bitch 20 pips away from TP. That's what it did.
You stupid.
192.3.
Okay, gold is busting. I might get in this bitch right now. That bitch is doing some movements. Once this hour closes, I'm gonna see what happens. Let's see what else we got. I'm not worried about German 30. I mean, GJ, I'm expecting that to hit 193, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not fucking with that to hit 193. And German 30, I'm looking for that shit to hit 300. Quick 300, I think. 22.3, maybe 350. I'm gonna watch the bitch though. I'm gonna see how the bitch move. For right now, we going for 3. Fuck the
I can see
bullshit.
that.
That's right there. So shit, it should be nothing. Nothing to a
Look
big
at
dog, John. You say look at what?
I said, look at AU fucking engulfing shit.
FXBros. Maybe right here. Oh no, I just made a mistake and added a position. Bro, they blowing me with that dumb shit. I did not mean to do that. Let me see. Alright, I closed it in positive. Cool, I'll take it. Why is that shit on one? I, I turned that off. God damn, they should have kept that position the way this bitch moving. Alright, gold. What are you doing? Okay. But I'm all over the place right now. My shit is moving too. Let's go. Yeah, we looking for GJ to hit 193 at the least. I think it'll go there. At the least, it should hit 192.8. But 193 is like the ultimate goal. Let's see what else we see. German 30 is looking good. Still pushing. Man, they just changed my settings again. I hate that shit. On Trade Locker, they changed my shit to a one click setting. So if all I gotta do is hit the shit one time by accident type shit.
That nigga try to get your ass into the trade.
Yeah, they just changed that shit by themselves, bro. I seen it say setting update. Setting update. You ain't update no settings.
Uh-huh.
And I don't even know how to do it, turn it back type shit. Like I'm looking for the shit.
All right. Crazy. But yeah, man. We're gonna fucking wrap this shit up and just monitor this shit.
Yes,
That was a good
sir.
call on TJ.
You know it. You know it. Anytime.
Nah, for real. Good call on DJ. But yeah, we'll monitor that shit in the fucking chat and be back at this bitch tomorrow, you hear me?
For sure, for sure.
Hey, brother, I'm tapping
All
in with you.
right, big dog.